Hi everyone, this is Tim from milehighthemes.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the header, navigation, and mega menu styles in the Pursuit theme. So we've got our main demo open here, and we're going to do a little deconstruction of the header and talk about how we've set up the mega menus like this collections menu, some search options, and some other things in the header. So let's jump right in. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in and customize the Pursuit theme so we can show you how the header options are set up. So in Online Store Themes, I'm going to customize the Pursuit theme, and most of the options we are going to talk about are in this header section. So firstly, if we just click on the word header, we can get sort of our main options for the header. This is where we choose our navigation style and how it's displayed. So we've got logo next to navigation, which shows the logo with the navigation to the right of it. We've got a logo next to search, which puts the logo next to the search bar and brings the navigation down below to its own line. So if you have a really long navigation menu, this is probably the best one to choose. And finally, we have a centered option, which centers the logo and then puts the navigation in line with the search and the cart button. So we're going to leave that here. We've got a whole bunch of other settings in here that I encourage you to check out, including the ability to overlap an image on your header, like we have in our demo. A few other options here. This is where you add your logo. You can choose your width. Your primary navigation menu controls what menu appears here. And then we have some other options for navigation text style, adding these email addresses and phone numbers up here, as well as your My Account and currency/country drop downs over here or up here. This categories menu actually populates this button. So this is a separate menu that's populated in this button. So if you don't specify a menu here, then this button won't appear. So that's how you would set that up. And we have a few other options for the search bar and controlling the live search. So we're going to back out of this and take a look at the blocks. So the theme comes with two blocks, a mega menu and a category navigation menu. So the mega menu we can see in action on this catalog link. We've got these headings over here, and the links are showing below them in a mega menu, which is a multi-column menu. Then we've got some different images over here with some text below. So when you add a mega menu block, the only thing that you need to do is specify which link in your menu should appear as a mega menu. In this case, we have the word catalog typed in here. So catalog is going to show as a mega menu. So if you type something in here that doesn't actually appear in your menu, then it's not going to work. So you want to make sure to type something in here that's already in your menu. And then it's just a matter of setting up a nested menu in your navigation area. And I'll show you that in a minute. But here's where you can also populate these images that show here on the right. You can put an image in here with some text and link it to whatever you want. So that's how we have these two images over here. So that is a mega menu. We also have this category navigation, and that allows you to create a mega menu within this button. So in this case, again, I've typed in the word great gifts. So that happens to be this first link here. And that's telling the theme that we want to show the menu item great gifts with this mega menu approach, showing everything in columns instead of just a long drop down menu, kind of like this hiking gear. So hiking gear is just a regular nested menu. Great gifts is specified to show as a mega menu. So we've got mega menus in the collection, and we've got mega menus here. So again, you can populate an image over here if you like, which we've done here, and add some text to it and link it if you like. So those are the different header section options. Again, you can click the word header to get sort of the main settings, to add your logo and all that. And then you can choose these different options. And again, these are optional. So if you don't want to use mega menus and you just kind of want to have standard drop-down menus like this, you don't need to add either one of these options. So now we'll just jump over into the navigation and take a look at the structure of the menus. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this because setting up menus in Shopify is very easy. You just go to Online Store Navigation. And you can see that we have this main menu here. And this is the menu we're looking at. So the catalog menu is multiple levels. The hiking, camping, climbing, and fishing are the headings for the mega menu. So if we look at this again, hiking, camping, climbing, and fishing are the headings. And then all the links below that show below those headings. So if you just add 2 levels, like if you just had catalog and hiking and didn't have anything below that, then you'd have kind of a bare looking mega menu with just the word hiking as a heading with no links below it. So you'll want to make sure to add some links below these headings to fill out your mega menu. And the same thing is true for our categories menu. That's actually a separate menu. So if we click collections, there's that great gifts menu. Again, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 levels of headings. And then the third level is all the links below that. So great gifts for the angler, for the hiker. Over here, great gifts for the angler, for the hiker. We've got all the links below that. So you'll want to make sure to populate those and make sure to put some links below in the third level, or else you'll just have a bunch of white space here. So that's a quick and dirty rundown of the mega menu and navigation and header options for Pursuit. I hope it's been helpful. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to our support team. We'd be happy to help. Thank you again so much for checking out this video and for using our themes. We appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next video.